Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to take user input from Java program. It is quite different in Java to take user input. So I'll be starting with a simple program to add two number, taking two number from the user as an input and adding it to the third variable and printing that third variable as an output. So for that, uh, first of all, will be learning about a new class, that is scanner class. What is scanner class? Scanner class is a predefined class in Java that takes input from users. Actually, here we can see this scanner S. S is an object that we are creating for the scanner class. S is the object of the scanner class. So whatever we display on the screen, that is written as system.out. So for taking input, it has to be system.in. This is logic. This is a normal logic that it has to be system.in. So for that, the scanner class takes argument as system.in. So here the class, that constructor that we are creating for this scanner, takes input as an argument known as system.in. So uh, for using this scanner class, as we use a simple program, actually the simple program imports some files like that we import java.lang, but for scanner is something different from lang package, so it has to be imported, it has to be in a different file, it exists actually in the different package, so we have to import that package. For importing, we write the keyword import java.util. Util stands for utility, so java.util. We can also write here scanner, but for the ease of writing, for the ease of not taking it much pressure to the mind, we can use star also. It will import all the classes of util package. If we write scanner, it will import only scanner of the util package. So here we have imported the utility package as a whole. Now class A is a name of the class. As we are writing a simple program, so I have not followed much convention, so it is A only, class A. So public static void main is started int. We have declared three variables as A, B, C, and we are displaying a output, displaying a line as enter two number. That user will see enter two number, and then he will be entering that two numbers. So here it is enter two number. Then we have created the object of scanner class. So using this object, we will be taking input from the user. So here A, first variable in which we are going to store some value, will be A is equal to S. S is the object of scanner dot next int. If we want to take input as char, then we will write next char. If we want to take input as line, string, if you want to take input as string, then we will take next line. Or if you don't know, if you want to just take input as string of a whole line and you don't know whether it is int, whether it is char, whether it is double, then you just write next. but it's good that we should follow some uh, types convention, that we should write next int or next line. So a dot s a is equal to s dot next int will give a variable from the user. Similarly, in B also it will get some variable from the user, and in C it will be calculating or adding the two variables that has been captured from the user, and it will be displayed as an output. Here we can see output is equal to double quotes closed and plus C. This is called concatenation of strings. This is nothing but adding a next string, that is actually what we are doing here. It is int, but when we are displaying it will become a string. So here it will be just concatenating the two strings. So this is about the whole program. Now we will be seeing the output. So we will be writing command prompt cmd so here we'll be changing the directory. Java C space a dot java, given Java space a. Now it is asking for the two numbers. Since I have written println, it is giving down 5. Now the next number 6. So the output is 11. Hence, using this simple program, we can get input from the users. So hope you must understood this. For any problem, do please do comment on the website, and thank you.